Vissles V84 Review. Vissles might not be a household name with regards to keyboards, yet they may be someday. The V84 is a high-quality keyboard at a cost-effective price. Utilizing the Vissles V2 special key switches to produce fast but precise responsiveness when interacting with or being entertained by a computer. Construction quality here is quite good, all things considered, despite the chassis being constructed of hard plastic with a matte finish. The whole keyboard feels solid and the double-shot PBT keycaps are wear-resistant with a nice, grippy texture. A white version of the keypads is contrasted with a black casing. Another key layout with black and gray keycaps is also available. While the keys are undoubtedly fancy, they are the cause of an unfortunate flaw with the V84's otherwise stellar case design. There are RGB backlighting features beneath these keys, and it is as bright as expected and offers some personalization with Vissles' own software. The opaque keycaps result in light only escaping from between the keys to act like an illumination rather than seep into the corners. Lighting that looks great in the dark can make a few of the controls on your lighting set harder to sort through in a warm environment. Strangely, you can lift the keyboard without the aid of flip-out feet on the rear edge, but rather with even tinier stilts that hang around magnetically on the rubber feet already attached. The Vissles V84 connects by either a USB-A port or a Bluetooth connection. Oddly, on the back of the device's case, there are two unused USB ports, which are presumably from a prior version. The device also comes with a wrist rest that is made of squashy leatherette. The 75 layout, designed to straddle the line between traditional 80 and compact 60 keyboards, is harder to get used to than most 75 layouts, with the bottom of the layout squished inwards a bit due to the arrow keys. The layout offers a compact keyboard without eliminating the function keys. The 4mm total travel distance and 2mm actuation point identified in OutEmu and cherry switches meet the 56 G of input force required to trigger them, placing their actuation force in between the 2mm of actuation point found in OutEmu and Cherry's linear switches. These keys offer a perfect combination of responsiveness and feeling familiar to mechanical keyboard users. Typing feels much the same as a bog-standard red linear keyboard, albeit with a little less force needed for a full depression of the keys. The V84 is a solid choice for gaming, too, with the key that activates the function keys offering you the chance to set up game-specific bind keys effortlessly. The V84 battery-operated massage chair is rated for 180 continuous hours of use with the lights off. We were able to leave it operating for up to several days before the battery died. The supply cable was almost as long as needed to connect to the computer without adding any extra cables. Almost wanted to just use it wired, but no noticeable input lag when configuring it in Bluetooth mode. The Vissles desktop application enables you to turn between basic solid color shades or wallpaper patterns and 19 pre-programmed or user-selected animations. In addition to setting macros and user-defined keyboard shortcuts, you can also set customized color changes.